What makes a great meta campaign? Number 1. Correct campaign objective. Number 2. Compelling images or videos that grab attention and convey the ad's message effectively. Number 3. Concise and persuasive ad copy that clearly communicates the product's benefits and values. Number 4. Relevant targeting to ensure ad reaches the right audience who are more likely to be interested. Number 5. Call to action or CTA that promotes viewers to take the desired action that you want. Number 6. Social proof elements like testimonial or reviews that build trust. Number 7. A clear and compelling headline. Number 8. Regular monitoring and optimization to maximize ad performance and improve results over time. Number 9. A/B testing to experiment with different ad variation and identify the most effective approach. Number 10. Ad relevance and alignment with the target audience's interests and preferences. Follow to learn more on meta ads. Write in the comment if you found this video useful.